Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be unboxing this Love Me hair that I bought. This is a 5x5 undetectable invisible lace glueless closure lace wig. This hair comes with a lot of goodies and I just love the packaging of this hair. And this hair is super soft. The texture of this wig is everything. The packaging is so beautiful. They actually give you like a $10 off for your next wig purchase. And as you can see, I just love the packaging. This hair it came bleached, so you don't have to bleach this hair. It also came pre-plucked, so you don't have to pluck the hair. It's very good for someone that doesn't want to do too much on their wigs, like somebody like me. The reason why I bought this hair was because I just don't want to do too much on my hair. I just want to put it on me and just keep it moving. Guys, just get into this lace. This lace is actually invisible. You don't have to do much. And look at the elastic band, and two comes in the front, one in the middle, one at the back. The elastic band is actually adjustable. You can also detach it if you don't want it there. So yeah, this hair was just super easy for me to install. And I'm gonna be buying a lot of hair from this company because I just don't want any hair that I'm gonna do too much work on. And look at all the goodies this hair came with. Came with a press-on nail. It came with a headband. It also came with a hoop earring, very gorgeous earring. And it came with a phone holder, very beautiful also. So yeah, I just love the fact that they put all those goodies in there. For this hair, you don't really have to do much. I don't know how else to say it. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell for when I post another video. Now I'm about to put this hair on my head. So yeah, it was so easy. The head is actually big head friendly, just standard lace wig size. I think the cap size is a 22.5. And this hair, you really don't have to glue this hair down, but I just wanted to glue mine down because I was trying to test out the Ebin Wonder lace bond or whatever they call that product. But yeah, that's the product right there. So I wanted to test it out to see if it's actually what people say it is, and it actually came true. I didn't even have to use a blow dryer to dry this glue. So yeah, this glue is actually very good. So I used this glue on my hair just to test it out, but you don't really have to glue this hair down because it's actually a glueless closure wig. So yeah, this hair was easy for me to style. The only thing I didn't like about this hair was the fact that it had a bump. I don't know if you guys can see that bump. Yeah, right there. And it took me a while to use my hot comb and like blend it down. So when I touched it, I saw that it had a little bit of, I don't know if it's the way they made the wig, but I was able to get that part of the hair to come down a little bit. So yeah, so you guys keep on watching this video. I don't really have any complaints about this hair other than the fact that it had a bump. But if you can deal with the bump, yeah, this hair is the perfect hair for every day. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm going in with my hot comb just to I kept going in on that part of my hair that had the bump because I just didn't like the way it looks. But other than that, this hair is just perfect for me. So yeah, guys, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for when I post videos. I'm gonna try to post videos every week. I will try my best. But yeah, you guys have a blessed day and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe.
So guys, this is the hair. I hope you guys can get your hands on this hair because it's super easy to install. And honestly, I took advantage of their sale during the holiday, and I think they still have more sales going on. But this hair is super soft. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to bleach the hair. You don't have to plug the hair if you don't want to. Especially people like me, I don't like to do too much to my hair. I just want to buy the hair and just put it on and just do less. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link of this hair down below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for when I post another video. And have a blessed day. Bye.